What's the meaning of blanket? Blanket. Blanket.
Blanket. Blanket. A blanket is a covering made from a variety of materials, including wool, cotton, and synthetics. It is typically used for warmth and comfort, particularly while sleeping or lounging. The word blanket can also refer to a large piece of fabric used as a protective covering or drapery, as well as a term for a broad, encompassing statement or action that affects a wide range of people or things. Blankets have been used throughout history for practical purposes such as insulation and protection from the elements, as well as for cultural and ceremonial significance. Different cultures have developed their own styles of blankets using unique materials and designs.